Hi everyone, today I am reviewing the Mini Manicure kit from Le Mini Macaron. I got this kit back in August 2022, and when you purchase a Mini Manicure kit from Le Mini Macaron, you get one full-size nail polish, you get an LED lamp for curing your nail polish, you also get a cuticle stick, a small nail file, and you get 10 remover pads. The lamp is really small and cute. It's held together by a magnet, so you can separate these two parts like this. There's also a USB cord that you're supposed to plug into a charger, a computer, in your car, or wherever you want to do your manicure. There's only room for one finger in the lamp, and when you turn it on, it will cure the gel polish for 30 seconds and turn off when the 30 seconds are up. So I'm gonna show you how to use this kit. There are some accessories that I'm not using because I simply don't know where they are. Since I got this kit, I have replaced some of the different accessories, the cuticle stick and the small nail file. I have replaced those with some other tools instead. Like, it's the same tools, but better, I would say. The tools that come with the manicure kit are fine. It's not that. I use this kit pretty frequently, so I just wanted to get some better and more durable tools for my manicures. So I'm using those tools and not the tools included in the Mini Manicure kit. In this demonstration, I'm already wearing Le Mini Macaron gel polish. This is a sheer color called Crème de Pêche. Now, I told you before that the kits come with remover pads. I actually find it way easier and less time consuming to just peel the gel polish off. Sometimes you can peel off the whole thing in one go, and if not, I scrape off the rest with this one, a gel polish remover tool, which is also from Le Mini Macaron. So in my opinion, you don't need the remover pads in order to remove your gel polish. It comes off pretty easily, as you can see. Some may argue that it damages the nail, but honestly, nothing's ever happened to my nails. They are absolutely fine. So in order for you to make a nice and long-lasting manicure with these products, you need to make sure that there are absolutely no grease of any kind on your fingernails. So don't use any moisturizer or oils before a manicure. Now you can either use these nail cleanser pads for cleansing your nails, or if you don't have that, you can gently file on top of each nail. Then file them into the desired shape. I also apply a little cuticle remover to each cuticle just to soften them a bit before pushing back my cuticles. This product is not included in the Mini Manicure kit, but it is from Le Mini Macaron. Wash your hands and dry thoroughly to remove any dust. I prefer to apply this nail cleanser to these lint-free pads and cleanse my nails like this before applying the gel polish. When your nails are all dry, you can apply the first layer. There's no need for a base or top coat since this is a 3-in-1 product. Make sure it's a rather thin layer, then cure for 30 seconds in the lamp while you do the next nail, and so on. For the second layer, apply a little more nail polish and make sure it's evenly distributed. What I love about gel polish is that you can manipulate it all you want until you're satisfied, because it can only be cured in the LED lamp. Also make sure that the gel polish doesn't touch your skin, because if it does, the gel polish will start peeling off very quickly after the manicure is done, because the polish cannot stick to the skin. I usually apply a third layer to make sure the gel polish is thoroughly covering all areas of my nails and that it's not see-through. Then cure one last time. And you're done. I like to apply a little nail oil with vitamin E in the end. So now you've seen this product in action, and now I'd like to list some pros and cons, and I'm starting with the pros. This lamp is LED and does not emit any kind of UV radiation. UV lights usually emit UVA rays that have been linked to increased risk of cancer and premature skin aging. And this nail polish is vegan, and it is also free from 9 harmful or potentially harmful chemicals. And those are called formaldehyde, formaldehyde resin, TBHP, acetone, ethyl tocyllamide, silane, DBP, toluene, and camphor. Your manicure will last up to 2 weeks if you make sure to prep your nails and apply the nail polish correctly. The lamp is nice and small, and it's perfect for traveling. It can easily fit into your handbag or your luggage. The design is cute, and Le Mini Macaron have a big selection of beautiful colors, even when it comes to the mini manicure kits. The gel polish is also very easy to apply, and I like that it's a 3-in-1 system where you don't have to apply a base and top coat. It's simple and it's fast, and I have previously worked professionally with C&D shellac in salons, and when it comes to quality, my experience is that Le Mini Macaron gel polish is just as durable and easy to work with. And doing your own gel polish manicures will also save you a lot of money because it is super expensive to get this done professionally every 2 weeks in a salon. It's also a lot more convenient. You don't have to book an appointment and you don't have to leave your house to get a manicure. You can just do it at home. Okay, so now I'm going to do the cons. And I know that I just said that the lamp being small was super nice because it was convenient for traveling, but when you just want to do a manicure at home, it's not very practical actually. It is way easier and way faster if you're able to do all 5 fingers at once, like apply the nail polish and then cure all 5 fingers in one go. And a bigger lamp also makes it possible for you to do your toes as well. You can't really do that with the small lamp. Or in fact, you can also do your toes with the small lamp, but you have to hold the lamp over each toe every time you want to cure the nail polish. So you like have to separate the top of the Mini Macaron from the bottom and then hold the lamp manually with your hand and turn on the LED light when you want to cure it. That's the only way that I see that you can do your toes, but it's not very practical. It takes a long time because you have to sit there with the lamp in your hand. So the lamp being small is good, but it's also bad. And it really depends on what you want to use it for and where you are, if you are traveling or if you're just at home and you want to make a fast manicure. As you might have guessed from me saying this, I also own one of the bigger lamps, specifically the lamp called Le Pro lamp, which is also from Le Mini Macaron. You can watch my review of that product right here. The nail polish smells bad. I have never come across nail polish that smelled good. I've always hated the smell, so I always make sure that there is good ventilation when I do a manicure. I'm just really sensitive to harsh smells, so it might just be me. I've never really gotten used to it. And then the last one, Le Mini Macaron is a little more expensive than other brands who make similar products, but I'm happy to pay a little extra for a brand that makes cruelty-free gel polish free from these 9 harmful substances that I mentioned earlier. And I've gotten all of my Le Mini Macaron gel polishes, tools, and lamps on sale, so the prices have actually been reasonable. So I've been pretty satisfied with my Mini Macaron and gel polish since I got them. It's a cheap and easy way to get a nice and long-lasting manicure, and I also think it's a pretty fun and satisfying self-care activity. That was all for this time. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you have anything to say, and I will have a new video for you again very soon.